Teaching and learning have become more demanding because the society needs are more complex and advancement in technology has taken place. Technology has allowed learning to become a more dynamic process. We need to revisit teaching and learning strategies regularly and see how we can capitalize on technology in order to better serve the changing environment and the changing needs.
We encourage, facilitate, and support the use of innovative technology for teaching and learning in CUHK. I'm delighted to see that our colleagues are receptive to new ideas and they are willing to apply and to derive new teaching strategies for the benefits of students. To support universities' long-term commitments, ELITES has recently been established to provide space, facilities, and teaching support for e-learning projects.
To advance e-learning, it is imperative for the university to strengthen its infrastructure and support system. We have worked to increase the Wi-Fi capacity, set up different grant schemes to support teachers' works, and establish ELITE, where studios and editing stations are available for teachers' use, and professionals will provide pedagogical and technical support.
E-learning has already become a common feature across different levels of education. Among many other benefits, e-learning enhances internationalization without the need of sending students overseas. E-learning helps extend learning beyond the classroom to unlimited geographic locations and to a wider audience from different cultural backgrounds. ELITE is equipped with a Chroma Key Studio. We can apply real-time compositing of multiple sources to create special visual effects readily and easily.
As the world becomes more global and connected, the use of technology in education is also becoming more crucial in a competitive environment. The KEEP team wants to make Hong Kong into an educational center of excellence by leveraging talent, knowledge, and resources from all 8 UGC institutions in Hong Kong, connecting them together for greater benefits. KEEP is moving forward to provide advancement in using learning analytics to improve teaching and learning, in developing mobile devices and wearables for content delivery. It is our hope that the KEEP platform will help all 8 UGC institutions in Hong Kong to collaborate better on using technology for the future of learning.
Please come to explore this user-friendly center that will facilitate you to design initiatives for enhancing teaching and students' learning.